this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I'm driving our 86 Dodge two-wheel drive pickup. Nice old pickup. It shows 67,526 on the odometer. I have no documentation that is original. It may be 167. The truck drives really nice. I'm not even hands on the steering wheel and just goes straight down the road. So cab's pretty airtight. We got a little bit of wind today, not a lot, but so I bought this here in South Dakota. There you can see fuel gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, heater fan works. I go through a video of all that stuff also. But so nice driving pickup. Got a CD player, Pioneer CD player in it. Got a seat cover. I'm assuming the seat is ripped. I'll try to verify that, whether it is or it isn't. But if you're looking for a nice old two-wheel drive Dodge pickup that's pretty solid, got a little rust over the rear wheel wells, otherwise pretty decent. Paint's a little chalky on it, so a little faded paint, but just a nice old drive pickup. So up here to the corner and I will hit the brakes and then we'll turn around. You know, I'm cruising down the road 65 miles an hour, just like nothing. We'll turn around here and go through transmission shifts. Brakes work well. First to second.